So we've talked about price for ADA on more of a short-term basis lately, right? Like we've talked about obviously, what's going to happen in the near term over the next few days. We've talked about, this PPI report and CPI report and where we may end up here. But I want people to realize something, okay? I look more long-term when it comes to these assets. I'm looking 2024, I'm looking 2025, height of the bull market cycle, how high prices can reach. That's where I make my moves on or based on right now. And I want people to know something. Okay. As we go and close out this year, we might move up, we might move down. Okay. It's going to very much depend on obviously BTC and the macro factors surrounding crypto. But what I want people to realize is when we enter 2024, regardless of whether it's down here, whether it's up here, whether it's right in the middle, what we are likely to see is something very similar to how we started 2023. If I could zoom in here, this big explosive move to the upside is very much in play and likely to happen. As always, this is not financial advice. There's no guarantees in crypto. But the reason I say this is 2023 has been such a bad year for alts. The crypto price has been so beaten down and subdued by so many things this year. The explosive movement to the upside is very much a not guarantee, not a certainty, but the closest thing to that without being it, right? Because as always, this is not financial advice. If you guys remember what happened throughout 2022, we just got beat down, right? 2023 looked to be an explosive year, but yet price has been beat down. High interest rates, inflation, SEC, war abroad, all these things that have been in the narrative for a very long period of time have continued to suppress crypto prices. And what people need to realize is the longer that crypto prices are in fact suppressed, the more explosive of a movement you can have to the upside. What people also need to know is the second we enter 2024, Bitcoin halving is 2, 3, 4 months away. That is a very short period of time. It's a very short period of time for us to try to rally as well. Okay. If BTC explodes at that point, which in all likelihood it will, look at what's happened in the past leading up to the halving, we are likely to see alts run. We are likely to see ADA run. Okay. Now, obviously this year, I don't think we're going to close out where our initial estimates were. We talked about closing the year somewhere between 60 to 80 cents. And in fact, had we not had that big pullback from the SEC and all these other things that have beaten us down as of late, we might have actually gotten to that point. We looked like we were on pace. So right now, it looks like we're probably going to end the year more along the lines of what we experienced back in 2019. That slow drop to close out the year. In fact, we may consolidate around this range. We may close out the year around 24 cents. That would not surprise me at all. But do not downplay how explosive of a move we can have from these low ranges. Okay. All it takes is a little bit of movement on the market side, a little bit of movements in the BTC, a little bit betterment of sentiment. And that can change very quickly in the crypto market, as you guys know. So although we may see some more downside in the short term, may not see any, just be prepared because 2024 is going to be that year where the entire crypto market structure changes. BTC halving changes everything. Bull market changes everything. And especially alt season changes everything in terms of ADA. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts, where you think we're going to end up the year here. But I appreciate you guys as always. Show your love below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.